Why do you need to install Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers with hub-centric? Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub-centric and one without hub-centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with hub-centric. The Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can change the wheel's offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the hub-centric Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. These designs allow the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with volatile. Hub-centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and drag than if it fits on the lugs only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than Lug-Centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the BONOSS Force active cooling Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in tighter shape. This rules allows the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner. Of Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers. These notches act as collectors, which tremendously enlarges the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improves safety. So, if you are considering installing the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with hub-centric.